to order. As you see, this is the number. It's a body what? Body control module?
Yes.
Body control module. Mercedes S320 1999.
But go with the part number.
Go with the part number, this one. As you see.
Yep.
This is the part. So now we have a video. And then we have to order the... Then we have to order the... What was the other one? Relay?
Really, I'll try to find the one.
Yeah, relay. Where is the old relay?
I installed it right there.
This is the old relay. What's the name of the relay?
That's the fuel pump relay.
Fuel pump relay. S320 1999. Can you pull up? We see how many pins again. Can you push it up? We see how many pins. Yeah. So those two items we troubleshoot. Yeah. Okay. This one.